This is Denise from Fustini's down in Holland, and tonight for dinner we are having easy baked honey mustard chicken. So it is a recipe that's going to be simple and quick to make. Your kids could help with it to put it together. So we're going to make a honey mustard glaze. So we're using both our whole grain and our Dijon mustard, along with our honey from Great Lakes Bee Company. So this one actually has some pepper in it. I was toying between the one that has lemon in it, but I have this one, so we're going to use this one today. So that's going to be our glaze. I'm going to saute up some onion, put the chicken on top of the onion with a little bit of rosemary and a little olive oil, and we're going to stick it in the oven and bake it for about 20-25 minutes. Okay, so I've got my onion sauteed, and actually the recipe calls for garlic, but my husband is not a fan of garlic, so I omitted that, but you don't need to. Anyway, so I'm going to add my chicken breasts or tenders right into the pan on top of the onion. And then I'm going to spread our honey mustard mixture. I did make one change. It was a little too thick, and so I added our iron fish honey vinegar to it instead. I think that will be a nice change, keeping with the theme. So we're just going to spread this all right on there. I'm going to put it all in because we'll be basting halfway through. And then we're gonna season with some salt and pepper. And I'm gonna put some rosemary sprigs in here. And then it's gonna go in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. Alrighty, so we did our first 20 minutes with it covered, and then I actually took the cover off, basted it a little bit, and then cooked it for about 15 minutes uncovered. And sorry I didn't videotape that. I was all excited that Chef Tommy was giving a shout out for what Fustini's is helping with Kids Food Basket, so I completely forgot. Anyway, so we've got our easy baked honey mustard chicken, and we're gonna have it with some rosemary potatoes and a salad. So bon appetit.